causes thunder, a sound from the shock wave, which develops as the unit passes in the vicinity of the discharge experience a sudden increase in pressure. Typically, lightning occurs most frequently during thunderstorms and cumulonimbus clouds.
Hello? Hello? Yes, this is extremely important. Yes, it's about the lightning. No, it's not a damn error. I've rebooted this piece of work 5 times. It's still giving me the same result. The live feed isn't down either. It's still perfectly synced to the system. Something is wrong about this. No lightning stays static for 3 whole minutes. Get your team down to Chicago now. This isn't natural.
Local area emergency for the city of Chicago. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. National Weather Service Doppler radar and ground-based sensors spotted a high-energy atmospheric anomaly producing a persistent ionized channel, resulting in a static lightning strike. Unlike standard lightning discharges, this bolt has entered a state of sustained electrical static. The discharge is not dissipating and remains fixed to the ground in downtown Chicago. Hazard: extreme thermal radiation, ground voltage spread, and electromagnetic pulse disruptions. Residents within a 5-mile radius of the discharge are advised to evacuate immediately. If evacuation is not feasible, stay indoors, avoid all electrical appliances, and cover your eyes to prevent retinal damage from sustained ultraviolet exposure. Do not attempt to approach or photograph the bolt as it may lead to permanent retinal damage. Stay tuned to local media for further information.